Hi guys.
Hello guys, welcome. Jó reggelt.
Hello, good morning.
I'm saying that because here we are in our country. Oh, sorry.
In your country.
My country in Hungary, and I can't wait to shoot. And what we're shooting today?
We're shooting the best pictures in 3 minutes only.
Only 3 minutes we got. It's gonna be another POV challenge where we're shooting with a
70 to 200 Canon in the beautiful Parliament Square. Is that Parliament? Parliament Square?
Parliament basically, and I really like over here this kind of look of the city. We got kind of old buildings, we got some new buildings. Where are the new buildings? I don't know the new buildings. However, it's beautiful. You guys gonna see on the pictures and hopefully on the GoPro footage, and can't wait to.
Yeah, it's starting to rain, so I think we need to be pretty fast.
Pretty fast. All right, we're gonna try our best because we have a fight with the weather today, and see you guys on the street, I believe.
See you.
That's a cut. See you guys on the street. See you guys on the street. Three minutes on the clock. We're starting with the train. Oh wait, I need to check your settings. Auto ISO. Okay, I'm ready. Start now. Go. Why? Ooh, look at this. Okay, enough train for now. I'm gonna do from the driver if I can. Oh, I can. Okay. Have a nice model. Lovely. Great. I don't know what to shoot. Great. Lovely. Nope, I didn't catch that. It was a nice try though. I love this shot. Great. Ooh, that looks beautiful there. And it's time.
That was quick 3 minutes.
That was very quick 3 minutes. I shoot as much as I could.
Nice pictures.
Pictures, definitely. We get some nice one. Oh, yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
Three, two, one, go. No, can I focus on flowers? Fuck. Okay. No, I don't have it under control. Fucking hell. Whoa. Okay. Fun, fun, fun. Let that rest. Quickly. Okay. I think I'm gonna stay here for now. Horse. You. Perfect. Okay. There is not much. What else can I do? Okay, over that way. Shit. Okay, maybe some flags. I think Parliament is my point today. Windows. Again, some more view. No train even.
It's coming there.
I hope it's gonna come within 1 minute. Fuck my life. I had way more.
It's time.
No.
It's gone.
Okay. Thank you, train. Well, let's see. I've tried.
Just show you how to use this one.
Because I don't know, guys, you know.
It's not recording.
My GoPro knows. He deleted all the footages from Greece. This guy.
Don't even talk to.
Okay. He's angry.